by
by that
that
that very way. Look at that. I almost said.
look
I almost
look.
said look at all those coins.
Okay, that corn.
Look at all that coin.
Hmm.
It looks very big. Where did you buy it? I want to buy
Axel,
corn
put on your
like that. All
Go
that
down, go
corn.
down. All that corn. Who's the author? Say it. Axel, put
By Luna Foley.
by
By Luna
Lucy
Lucy Foley.
Floyd. Floyd.
Boy.
Put down your legs. Mm.
Look at all that coin. It's very tall. It's as tall as a wall.
It's as tall as a wall. Okay, and then
Pick all that coin.
all
the coin.
okay.
Where would
Where
will the coin
where
where will the
will
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 hmm.
will the coin go? Here
Here
it is. The coin is a
is
cash.
in cans.
And where will the coin go? Here it is. You can buy coin at the store. Where we will go?
Where
Where will it
will
it go?
where
Where
will
will it go now?
hmm.
Here it is. The coin is at home. Where will it go now?
Where
Where will it go now? It is pop. Look at all that coin.
What happened to the corn at the end?
It turned popcorn.
It became popcorn. Yeah. How big are the corn plants? How big are the corn plants?
Tall as a wall.
Tall as a wall. Great job.